Bye, Michael. Michael, bye. Oh, school bus is here. Bye. See you later. Have fun in school. I put you fruits. Apple and orange. I put in your inside your bag. Bye. Bye.
Give it to mommy. Thank you.
You can eat peas. See? Those are peas.
Yum, 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 yum. Eat. Yum,
Yeah.
yum, yum, yum.
Daddy ought to buy you some peas.
What color? Huh? Green.
9. That's right. She pointing 9. She's
You're
trying to
pointing
say.
number 9?
Yeah, she's
9.
She's trying to say 9.
What color? B? What?
P. I think she's trying to say P.
P.
P. Very good. P's. Okay, bye. Next page. Okay. What color is this?
What color?
What color is that one? This one. This color. Red. Very good.
Red.
Very good. Honey.
Red.
What color is that one? This one?
What color?
Or let's do this one. Color that one.
What color?
Color is that? This one? Yeah, that's yellow on the inside. What color is that? That's yellow. That's right, honey.
Yellow.
I'm trying to get her to go purple. Keep
What color?
Yeah, that's a pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
What color? Orange. Very good.
Orange.
Do you know this color?
Orange, babe. Because it's hard to say inch. Orange.
White is
Orange.
too. She,
But it.
and white too. White.
White?
White. That's what she calls white because she can't say white yet. The donkey kicks its legs.
Turkey.
Turkey, honey. Donkey.
You press the turkey. Donkey.
Donkey.
Honky, honky. Horse gallops in the field. Horse.
Horse. Press.
Horse.
There you go. Me.
Okay, turn the page. The hen lays eggs for the farmer. Where's the hen? Right there.
Hen. Press it.
Hen.
The turkey likes to eat seeds and grains. Turkey.
Oh, where's turkey?
Turkey.
Okay, and then
Brother Michael.
It's raining. See you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.